Hello there, today is Project Day. I love Project Day. First, let's get started with this. So, today's Project Day is, we plan on painting our bathroom, but not as good as the other rooms. We just want a different shade, and what we plan on painting it is sort of a tan. So, that's the plan for the entire day. It's just painting the room. So, let's get started, guys. So as of right now, this is what our bathroom looks like. This is our master bathroom. Our little crustacean over there. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to clear everything out and off the walls. So that includes this, that includes everything back there, including the curtains. It includes the towel rack over here. So we're just gonna have to take care of all that, and we're just gonna do that just by snapping. So, alrighty. So we got everything off the wall that we needed, everything off the bathtub, everything off the sink. But there's something I really wanted to show you guys. When we come over here, I want you to let you know, if you're a new homeowner or you're buying a house, make sure that they don't put these in. And the reason why I say that is they're porcelain, but that's not the issue with them. If you ever go to take them off, there's just this big square hole behind this. And so if you go to put in like your own custom set, you've got that hole that you need to fill with drywall. So it's better just to ask when you're building your home, not for them to put this in. We had the same issue over in our guest bathroom when we went to put in our own custom to decorate that room. So this one's probably never going to come off the wall because of the same issue, but it was a really big issue. We had to cover the hole, and once you do it, you realize that, oh, there's a hole there and I can't put this back. So the next step is we're going to have to tape the room so that we can paint the room around the edges so that we don't hit like our baseboards or anything. We don't get anything on the shower, and then we also have to put plastic down on certain locations so we're not getting any paint or spilling the bucket of paint onto the ground. That way we're not painting anything we don't want to. So we're also going to snap for that because it takes a long time. So here we go. Where did you guys go? Oh, that's right. We had to tape up the mirror so that we don't get paint on the mirror. So everything is now taped. We didn't pull the outlets off because this isn't going to be the last color that we're going to be doing, because we do plan on painting the room some other time. We just want to get rid of these, and we don't have the paint to match the wall. So that's what the whole intention is for painting. We taped off the bathtub. We've got the shower taken care of. So I think all that's left is to paint. We should get started. now I need to go grab a ladder so I can get all the high points of what I wasn't able to reach. So I'll be right back. There you go. We got the ladder set up, but I don't think you guys have a good angle. So I think I'm gonna put you guys up there. There we go. Alrighty, so I think it's time to change the view again so that you guys can see what next I'm doing. So, as you can see, I have done the wall against the shower, I've done the window wall, and I've done the door wall, and I started above the mirror. But as to not bore you guys, I'm gonna stop recording until I am finished with painting all the walls. That way you guys don't have to sit here through me painting the entire thing. So I will catch up with you guys in just a little while. So we finished. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. Before tomorrow, it's super bright. You can barely tell that we painted anything. So here it is. It's in the tan. We like it. All that's left is we have to put on, we have to put back the towel racks, the medicine cabinet, our toilet paper holder, all that good stuff. And we are gonna do that tomorrow in the light before we post this video, so that you guys can see what it looks like. Here it is in the daylight. It looks so pretty. And then we gotta hang all the stuff up. I messed up there. Looked great. Well, here it is, guys. It looks great. It doesn't look as dark as it did last night on the walls because of the natural light, which I really like. And we haven't gotten everything up on the walls yet, but we do have to run off so that we can film our next video. I messed up there. But we do have the stuff on the sink. And we got our rugs back. And the purple's looking good in here with the tan and the white. So, that's the end of project day. We're done. All except for, like I said, hanging the stuff up on the wall. But that's fine. So, that does mean it's time for me to go watch out for free range grandmas. Bye, guys.